Hello, and welcome to this week's presentation regarding CoolWidget's Microsoft Office training project. Today, we will be going over the reporting period of September 3rd, 2018 through September 10th, 2018. My name is Daniel Hogestraat, and I'll be managing this project through its completion date. I am pleased to announce that we are now in our fourth month of this project, and all deliverables and tasks have been completed successfully till this point, leaving us in a code green for our overall status. First, I would like to recap our project's goals, tasks, and purpose. The goal of this project is to strategically deliver Microsoft Office training courses to all 500 CoolWidgets employees in all 5 of its offices, including California, New York, Tennessee, Montana, and Nevada. The project budget will not exceed $200,000 and must be completed within the duration of 12 months. The benefits of this training will enable CoolWidgets employees to better administer to customer and company needs by increasing their knowledge of commonly used software, which will be used on various projects throughout the organization. The Microsoft Office training will cover a very broad subject, including spreadsheets, Word documents, calendars, presentations, and multimedia applications. The project will be considered successful if all deliverables are met and employees can translate and reproduce adequate training results without supervision. Here, I would like to touch on some things that have minorly affected our overall project status. First, we have unforeseen weather and contingency planning. Weather forecasts determine early snowfall over our Montana office at the end of the month, which holds threat to potential time delays and relocation. Management is actively seeking contingency plans in case of frigid temperatures that will divert focus from the time-sensitive goals. Second, the Tennessee office has reported an annoying computer virus. Course developers have given approval by shareholders to hire a troubleshooting technician if the virus proves to be financially and academically disruptive. And lastly, due to colorful ethnic backgrounds, we have language barriers that have caused learning difficulties in our southwestern offices. The accomplished milestones for this reporting week consist of prominent initiation points. For instance, we have successfully completed, delivered, and notified students of the course schedule. Later on in the week, the program's orientation was commenced along with the distribution of the course syllabus. It is also well to note that every employee attended and participated on the first day of instruction. And finally, the first stages of project censoring and control is now underway. The milestones projected for next week include completing the fundamental aspects of Microsoft's functions and terminology. Once that is completed and the students successfully pass their tests, course developers will move on to the introduction of Microsoft Excel. However, based on unfavorable past experiences, the introduction to Excel might be moved to a later date and replaced with the introduction to Microsoft Word. Strictly speaking, shareholders feel Microsoft Excel should be introduced when students are more comfortable with commonalities to avoid time delays and poor test results. The last few milestones for the reporting period involve project overview and conducting analysis reports, specifically cost reports and timescale reports that will identify and prioritize vital tasks which need to be completed for a successful and strong completion. To be more specific regarding these reports, here I have provided the project's specified tasks that are prioritized in chronological order. To the right of this list of objectives is what is known as a Gantt chart. This chart shows each task and how it corresponds with one another. Conveniently, the chart and breakdown structure also denote the project's costs, resources, and the duration of each task. For example, this is our current period under the task labeled Training Delivery. we can see that the cost of training is estimated just over $140,000 with a duration of 183 business days. For your benefit, you are welcome to print or download a copy of this chart for future reference. The main topics that I would like to emphasize before ending this presentation are the key takeaways of this reporting period. First, I want to reiterate that everything is on course and corresponding to the project plan. Secondly, the issues mentioned in previous slides are under thorough evaluation to ensure that the project is streamlined and unconflicted. It is also good to note that the Excel program may be extended for the benefit of the employees and the company overall. And lastly, project monitoring and reporting such as the Gantt chart provided in the slide before will be administered on a weekly basis for project control and forecasting. Once again, I would like to thank you all for your hard work and active participation. If there's anything you need regarding this project, please contact me through the information provided on the slide. I am here at your disposal and encourage effective communication and transparency throughout this project. Thank you very much, and have a good day.